In this video, we'll show you smart space, saving solutions, modern kitchen decor, and stylish layouts to make your kitchen look bigger and more organized. One of the easiest ways to make your small kitchen feel bigger is by using light colors. White, beige, or pastel shades reflect more light, giving an open and airy feel. For a modern look, try combining white cabinets with wooden textures or pastel walls with gold accents. In a small kitchen, storage is key. Use pull-out cabinets, vertical shelving, and hanging racks to maximize every inch of space. Floating shelves and corner racks can help you store essentials without taking up extra space. A small kitchen needs smart appliances and space-saving furniture. Use a foldable dining table, wall-mounted racks, and compact ovens to make your kitchen more efficient. Invest in multi-purpose appliances, like an oven with a built-in air fryer or a compact dishwasher to save space. Good lighting can completely change how your kitchen looks. Install under-cabinet LED lights to brighten up work areas and add hanging pendant lights for a stylish touch. Soft white lights give a cozy feel, while bright LEDs make your kitchen look bigger and more inviting. When it comes to decor, less is more. Keep countertops clear, use sleek kitchenware, and add a few small plants or wall art for a fresh look. A minimalist approach not only saves space, but also makes your kitchen feel more premium and elegant. And there you have it. With these smart design tricks, you can transform your small kitchen into a stylish, functional, and clutter-free space. Space-saving kitchen appliances, lighting ideas for a modern look, best colors for small kitchens. Which idea did you like the most? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips. See you in the next one.